Most of us take communication for granted, but for people with a disorder, it's a daily challenge. Thankfully, a trained speech pathologist can make a huge difference to someone's quality of life. Speech pathology is a really rewarding profession to allow others to find their own voice and to help them communicate in their daily life setting.
What's really interesting about being a speech pathologist is all the different areas that you can work in. So I've worked with children and adults, I've worked in hospitals, I've worked in schools, I've worked in the community, I've worked in aged care facilities, and I've developed skills in these areas. So it's just allowed a whole load of skill development that I didn't even know existed when I first started working.
So one of the best things about studying speech at ECU is just doing prac straight away. So even from semester 1 of first year, we had the opportunity to do prac. So that was really, really great just to be exposed to what speech pathology actually looks like. You know, we look at not just stuttering, which is what a lot of people think. We also look at like voice disorders, we look at fluency, language, writing, even just how social disorders and like psychology comes into all of that. So just learning about those things from day one, being exposed to the different base courses like anatomy and like psychology, it's just given us like really great insight.
I feel like ECU carefully and gradually immerses you in the field. So in first year you have lots of different opportunities to have some observation days at the different places, such as the schools and hospitals. And then in your second year they give you the opportunity to do some interviews and some assessments. Third year you start your actual prac, you start going once a week. And then in fourth year you've got your block placements. I feel that ECU has prepared me really well with all of those different practical opportunities, and I now feel ready to enter the workforce.
Throughout my degree, we had several opportunities aligned with Speech Pathology Australia to participate in networking events with several professionals that were in WA in the profession. We also had several guest speakers come out to the university to tell us about their role in their own workplace and the differences between private and public practice, which is also how I managed to get my first role as a speech pathologist.
The way that ECU prepared me for my role as a speech pathologist, they helped me feel that I was a part of something. They helped me feel that I was contributing to something and that I would continue to contribute. And they helped me to engage in learning principles that I still use today. The staff at ECU are all qualified speech pathologists, and some contribute hugely to the research, and they were able to draw on that and bring that to their teaching. So I think their teaching was of high quality.
Help others find their voice. Study speech pathology at ECU.